morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well today. My name's Allie. Thanks for coming to my channel. I am going to do another marble pour. I've got these crazy, not crazy colors, but they're different. I'm going to put this on the base. And I'm just going to roll it around, and it may be a few different colors in here. I don't know how many I mixed together. Look, it's striped. I'm just going to roll this. I don't think it's really going to matter though in the end. So just get this in the center best I can. Might even look cool with a little stripe in it. You never know. But yes, I didn't mix my paints well. I thought I did. So that's not good. Don't do what I do. Okay. So I got that down. Now I see some either bubbles or blobs. Not sure which it is. So let me check. Get those out. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Maybe it's just bubbles. Good. Look at that striped base. Holy smokes. Alright, so I'm just going to start putting some colors down. We'll see how this goes. I have teals and blues, so I thought that would be cool. Never know what you'll come up with. All right. Got that ready. These paint stands drive me crazy. Let me move my paint back this way a little bit. Okay. All right, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit because it's going to take me a minute to put all these colors down. So I'll be right back. color around the edge. In case I need a little room. Probably won't matter, but do it anyway. Okay, let me push the bubbles. All right, we're ready. Start rolling, rolling, rolling. Come down the side over here because I know that'll go off the edge, and I just want to get right here. Just a couple more times. All right, that's good. I don't want to do it too much. All right, so let's go this way. Go off the side over here. Center, work my way over here. you have it. Wow, I love those colors. Wasn't sure about them, but I'm always willing to try, you know? These are awesome. Very cool. All right, thanks so much for joining. I will put everything I did in the description, recipes, colors, and everything. So, you'll have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.